In the tumultuous year of 911, a pivotal event took place that would forever change the course of history. In this narrative, we delve into the epic tale of Rollo, a fearsome Viking leader, as he laid siege to the illustrious city of Chartres in France. Chartres, nestled in the picturesque Loire Valley, was a city renowned for its breathtaking beauty and spiritual significance. With its magnificent cathedral towering over the landscape, Chartres was an emblem of French heritage and a symbol of Christian faith. The year 911 marked a turning point as Viking invasions had become increasingly prevalent along the coasts of France. Among the Viking warlords, Rollo was one of the most formidable. With his vast fleet and battle-hardened warriors, he set his sights on Chartres, sensing an opportunity for conquest and plunder. The siege began with Rollo's forces encircling Chartres, cutting off any escape routes for the city's inhabitants. The people of Chartres found themselves trapped within their once peaceful sanctuary, facing an uncertain future at the hands of their relentless assailants. Chartres was no stranger to conflict, as its fortifications had withstood previous attacks. However, the sheer scale and tenacity of Rollo's siege presented an unprecedented challenge. For months, the city's defenders fought valiantly, standing united to protect their cherished home. Rollo's army employed various siege tactics, including battering rams, siege towers, and relentless assaults. Despite their resilience, the defenders struggled to repel the Viking onslaught. The city walls trembled under the weight of catapults and the relentless battering, inching closer to their collapse with each passing day. As the siege wore on, the situation grew increasingly dire for the inhabitants of Chartres. Food supplies dwindled, and the sounds of despair echoed through the streets. Yet, amidst the hardships, the spirit of the people remained unyielding, fueled by an unwavering belief in their cause. Chartres Cathedral, a beacon of hope, served as a testament to the indomitable spirit of the city. Despite the chaos outside, its stained glass windows illuminated the darkness within, offering solace to those seeking refuge within its sacred walls. But even in the face of adversity, fate would intervene. Sensing an opportunity to expand his influence elsewhere, Rollo and his forces abruptly lifted the siege of Chartres, leaving behind a city scarred but unbowed. Chartres emerged from the ashes, rebuilding and restoring its once glorious structures. The siege had left an indelible mark on the city's history, serving as a reminder of its resilience and the strength of its people. Today, Chartres stands as a testament to the endurance of the human spirit, a city that has withstood the test of time and triumphed over adversity. The siege of 911 may have shaped its past, but the vibrant spirit of Chartres continues to thrive, inspiring generations to come. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of Attila the Hun's invasion of Italy.